Hi guys, today we're going to do a science experiment with sticks and balloons.
Okay. How are we going to do it?
Ta-da!
Okay, let me see. Let's see how much you can blow.
I almost laughed. There's like balloons over there.
Do you need help?
Too hard. I'm gonna get those balloons over there because there's like different balloons over there. Okay.
Okay,
So now that I have a balloon, I can use my little sticks. Stab it. We're gonna stab it right about here. Snap it in. Get and work it. Since the other one popped, we got a new one. X. Now we're gonna pop it.
Okay, let's try.
So I found out how to do it. So you just got to do something like this. Ta-da!
Awesome.
You can like use this as a dart, so like your friends are like, hey, what's up? And you're like, what's the dart? And you're like, a balloon dart. So let's just pop it. That pop is so hard that I made this thing do away. Warning!
That was awesome. I loved it.
Please give it a big like and subscribe and share it with your friends. And bye.